Looking for the perfect coffee machine for your kitchen or office? Today we're taking a look at 4 of the most talked about coffee makers on Amazon right now. Whether you're into espresso, drip coffee, or smart features, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. The Terra Kaffe TK-01 is an automatic espresso machine with built-in grinder and milk frother. Its standout feature? One-touch brewing. You can customize your espresso strength, milk ratio, and grind settings with an easy-to-use touchscreen. It's perfect for anyone who wants cafe-style drinks at home without dealing with pods. This machine uses whole beans, making it both fresher and more sustainable. Plus, it looks modern and sleek, ideal for minimalist kitchens. The internal milk system is easy to clean, and the water tank is removable. Just note it's a premium machine with a price to match. Great if you're serious about your daily coffee ritual. If convenience is key, the Keurig K Supreme Plus is hard to beat. It features MultiStream Technology, which saturates the coffee grounds more evenly than previous models, resulting in better flavor. With 3 strength and 3 temperature settings, you get more control than your typical pod machine. It comes with a 78-ounce removable reservoir, strong brew mode, and programmable favorites, perfect for busy households. Just pop in a K-cup, and your drink is ready in seconds. It's not for espresso lovers, but for fast, consistent drip-style coffee. It's a solid option. Looking for an all-in-one option? The Ninja Barista system brews both espresso and drip coffee, and even froths milk hands-free. It works with both ground coffee and espresso capsules, offering flexibility you don't usually find in a single machine. The built-in frother creates creamy foam with just the press of a button. And the machine supports multiple cup sizes, from small espresso shots to full mugs. It's a great mid-range solution for coffee drinkers who want variety without clutter. Keep in mind, while it's versatile, it doesn't quite match high-end espresso machines in quality. This Gevi machine combines a programmable drip coffee maker with a built-in Burr grinder. That means you get freshly ground coffee every time, without needing a separate grinder. You can choose the number of cups, grind size, and brew strength directly from the control panel. The 10-cup capacity is great for families or shared office spaces. It also includes a reusable filter, cutting down on waste. While it's not made for espresso, the flavor of drip coffee is bold and consistent. If you want freshly ground beans with programmable settings, this is one of the most affordable ways to do it. Each of these machines offers something different, whether it's speed, control, or full barista-level drinks. Links to all products are in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart picks here on the channel.